Hi everyone, Anna Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and it is time for paper perk number 28. So today we are continuing with our daisy theme, and last week we made a really pretty page. Today I have a lovely envelope for you. This is the template to make the envelope, and then you can print it as many times as you want and make as many envelopes as you want and use them for any project that you're making, a junk journal, a scrapbook page. You can insert whatever you want inside and just use it as an envelope. This, if you don't know what Paper Perk is, it's a free printable that you can download and use for your projects. Every week there is a new printable free download. All the files, all the printable files are in the Facebook group, Paper Perks. There is a link in the description under the video. You can join there. If you're not on Facebook, then you can also find them on Ko-fi. On my Ko-fi, again, there is a link in the description under the video. You can go ahead and visit my Ko-fi site, and then you can stroll or just visit the gallery or the shop. Find everything you need there. So I'm going to, oh, I forgot. There is a supporters freebie as well. So if you are my supporter on Ko-fi, then you get this really pretty daisy fussy cut page for flower embellishments. And this is part of a new embellishment set that I'm working on. I'm going to share it in a few days in a new video, so stay tuned. We're going to have an entire embellishment set with daisies. We'll have tags and envelopes and pockets and fussy cuts and everything. So this is for my Ko-fi supporters. There is a link in the description under the video. Go ahead and grab this page as well. So I'm going to cut my envelope and show you how to do it and be back. Okay, so here is our envelope. You will need some sort of a scoreboard or scoring tool of some sort because we need to fold this envelope. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So we need to score the lines here and around like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to align this line here from this point, and then we're going to score along this line here. Then we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. You can do this with a ruler if you don't have the scoreboard or trimmer or something like that. Now we need to fold this. Let's move that aside. So I'm going to fold this. Sorry. Okay. So now we're going to score this and close it. Well, actually, in order for this to close properly, I want to score from, let's turn this, from this corner to this corner. Okay? So I'm going to align the two corners and then score like this. Now you see, when I fold this, there is an overlap. So we need to cut out the overlap. Here, there's a little triangle that we need to cut out in order for the envelope to fold normally. It's actually supposed to be like this. Okay. Now, we're going to fold. Let me turn this. We're going to fold along this line here. So I'm going to align it as well. And then fold this. So basically, this closes like this, closes like this, and then like this. So sometimes this can be a little bit to the top and then it interferes with the closing. It all depends where you score the lines. So if you need to, you can just remove a tiny bit, or just like this, or just simply score it a little bit higher. Okay, so next, let's see that everything fits. Great. Let's remove this. So next, I want to cut a little bit here and a little bit here. And then I want to bring my ink and well, these are going to be on the inside, but still, this, I want to ink this. I want to ink on all the fold lines that I did to give it that vintage look, and then on the edge of the envelope as well. Let's see, did I forget anything? Can do the inside as well. Okay, so now we can go ahead and glue. Actually pretty simple. Just put your glue on the flaps and then close the envelope. Make sure now you have a really pretty envelope. So, we did this last week. Excuse me, remember? So this envelope fits inside the pocket perfectly. So we can use this on this side of the page. Remember, the other side we had the belly band, so it fits here as well. It also fits this pocket too, so it fits everywhere excuse me, on the page that we did last week. I also have here some more papers that I have printed. So this is the same page that we had last time. I've simply printed it again on just a plain piece of paper instead of a cardstock, and then this can fit inside here. bit bigger. It can fit in here as a letter, and then you can add this to the page, or it can stand on its own, however you want it to be. So I'm really loving this envelope. Of course, you can embellish it even more if you want. I really hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video so you won't miss anything, especially not the new printables that I share with you every week. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.